Well, we still got nasty weather, although it's warmer out. The snow's coming down here, so once again I'm hiding in the house, which is probably going to be all week. And I've had a little bit of chance to play with more of these airplane plans since my wife's working today. Why, I've absconded with the kitchen table, and when she's home she tolerates me using it for stuff like this, but she prefers I not. So anyway, I have all of the wing ribs transferred over to Mylar sheets, and we've got the complete set here. So they're ready to be glued down to form blocks. And I also have all of the bulkheads laid out. So these were on two full-size sheets that were folded in half and put in my little holder here with the plan sheet. So what they are is just the rib bulkheads, all of them, and every one of them is laid out now. I've got them all. I think I've still got a couple of little ones that go in the tail, but for the most part this is all of the bulkheads that go to it. This is the firewall here laid out, and then we've got the main rib, which is, or the rear rib, which is at station 99, 35, 99, yeah, 35. And then this is the 7375 bulkhead with the instrument panel at the top, and I just added little pieces on here. I probably could have drawn of this too, but I've added pieces on so they'll separate, and I'll get a full pattern for both the bulkhead itself and the instrument panel. So that's the layout for them. That's what I've managed to accomplish today. So the ones that will fit in my little case that I'm storing these plans in will go inside of that. The rest of them will go out to the shop in where they can be stored flat. So that's my layout. That's my progress for the day. Here I am just playing on projects. This is one that I've had. This is a set of plans that I've had for quite some time. This is the way I store the bigger plans like this. And what I've done is I've just taken a couple pieces of 1/4-inch tempered hardboard. I got one on the bottom and some little spacers. All of the plans just fit inside of it. And then I've got some of these bed clips, blanket clips I think they call them, on here so that I can take individual sheets. And this one I've got a little bracket that goes on that new drafting board out in the shop that the handle will just slide on over there. On the inside I've got these little clips too, so that the plans sit up underneath there. So when they're upright, they don't slide out. But when I've got it hung on the drawing board or laid out, hung however, why, I can just slide the plans underneath the clips and they'll stay there. So that's just my way of storing them. Seems to work pretty good for plans like this. This is a set of plans, like I say, that I've had for several years. There'll be some progress on this. This is just a keep busy project while I'm stuck in the house here not wanting to go to the shop. This is probably not going to be my primary airplane project, although I am kind of excited to be working on it, and I did just get a quote on some aluminum for the main spars for this one, but this is not my main project for the year anyway. I've got another one that's in the works for when the 701 is finished, which should be here sometime this year. And so I'll be building form blocks and starting to form aluminum for another project here before too long. I've ordered another set of plans, should be rolling in probably next week, that we'll take a look at and decide how we're going to progress with that. So anyway, that's what's going on today. Just a little quick update. I'm just here playing where it's warm. So anyway, comments, suggestions, leave them in the comment section for me below, guys, and thanks for taking the time to watch.